Hey there! I want to tell you about an amazing kitchen tool that will save you tons of time. The Vegetable Cutter Shredder Cheese Grater Multifunction Kitchen Gadget in green. This gadget is a game changer for anyone who spends time prepping food. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks, whether you're slicing vegetables, shredding cheese, or grating ingredients for your favorite dishes. The best part? It comes with sharp, interchangeable blades, making it versatile enough to cut everything from carrots and cucumbers to cheese and potatoes. The sleek, compact green design fits nicely in any kitchen and is easy to store. And no need to worry about safety. It has a non-slip base that keeps it steady while you work, so you can grate or shred without any accidents. Cleaning up is a breeze too. Just rinse it under water or toss it in the dishwasher. So, if you're looking to speed up your meal prep and make your kitchen routine more efficient, this multifunction kitchen tool is a must-have. Trust me, once you try it, you won't want to go back to the old way of prepping food.